How to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. So let's get started. On this process, at first, open the Facebook app with your account. Alright, after you open Facebook, you'll got such interface. So from your at the bottom right corner, tap on menu. From your scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And from your tap on settings, alright, from your tap on account center. Okay, so from your scroll down and tap on the option personal details. And from your tap on account ownership and control. Alright, so from your tap on the option deactivation or deletion. From your choose your Facebook account. And from your here you get two options like deactivating your account is temporary or deactivating your account permanent. So from your choose the option first one where it says temporary account deletion. So from your you'll have to just choose the option temporary, and after you choose it, tap on continue. And from your you'll have to just confirm with your Facebook password, and after you confirm with Facebook password, tap on continue. Okay, so from this section, you'll have to just provide a reason to Facebook. So from your, you'll have to just choose any one of these options like this is temporary and I will be back. And after you choose it, tap on continue. Okay, so from your, you'll have to just choose for the date whether you want to take a break from Facebook. So from your, after you tap on drop down, you can manually choose for the options like reactivate this account in 7 days, 6 days, or don't reactive automatically. And after you choose it, you'll have to just scroll down and tap on the option continue. And after you tap on that option, you can easily take a break from your Facebook account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.